Hi, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is enjoying their Saturday. It's been so hot here in Southern California. I mean, crazy humidity and 100 degrees that both my husband and myself said, Saturday, we're taking a break. We're doing nothing. And here I am filming a video, but it's so fun, so this is relaxing to me. Anyway, I thought I would I think I'll walk through 10 tips and tricks of, actually I'm looking at them right now. I'm gonna do 12 tips and tricks. I have more, but I'll keep this video short. Maybe I'll break it up into 12 and 12 and 12 instead of just a really long list of stuff. So if you see me looking at my book, that's why I didn't memorize the tips and tricks. I had to write them down. So, number one, don't wear anything that says Instacart, the lanyard, a shirt. It could be a really cool thing that you get in the mail, but oh my goodness, I think I wore my lanyard one day and literally the grocery store employees kind of just ran from me. I think they get asked so much, excuse me, where's this item? and mind you, there's really cool grocery store employees. I'm not saying that. There's ones that are so super helpful, and there's ones towards the end of the day that I can tell are like, oh my goodness, if another Instacart shopper asks me another question, I don't know. So it's funny, it just depends on what time of the day. In the morning, everybody's refreshed, I'll ask galore. At 7 or 8 o'clock at night, I feel like everybody's tired and of being asked questions. So sometimes I'll just flip my phone over and say, excuse me, where's the dilled okra? Because who knows where the dilled okra is? I don't. And that seems to help with them being more receptive. And that's my tip. Don't wear the lanyard unless you really like the lanyard, unless it helps you somehow. That was number one, and I'm super long-winded. Number two, get a good hot cold bag. I think I'll do a whole separate video on my hot cold bag because I love it that much. It was $40 and that was painful to pay, but it literally holds 4 or 5 bags. It keeps stuff hot and cold. Customers who meet me at the door love that their stuff is in this luxurious bag. I've had my bags in, smaller coolers that hold a couple of bags, and it just doesn't cut it. They feel like they're going to break. They're not well insulated. So definitely spend the money, and hey, it's a tax write-off. So don't be afraid to spend a little bit more. I feel like you won't have to replace it later on. Number 3, wear comfortable walking shoes. I love my flip-flops. I mean, who doesn't? But almost to my detriment, because by the 3rd batch, I'm cursing and wishing I had my hot pink New Balance shoes, which are so ugly, but they're super comfortable. So I decided those just have to be my work shoes because comfort is everything, and it helps with my back if I have heavy items. Number 4, the blue Ikea bags. I honestly don't know if Ikea is in other states, but Ikea is huge here in California. And I'll do a video on the Ikea bags too. They are huge, and easy to carry. So they'll fit 4 bags. My cooler fits 4 or 5 bags. I can just take them both to the door and plop, there they are. I unload my bags and I'm done. That really helps with going back and forth to my car. Number 5, look like a little decent. I feel like during the quarantine, you could get away with looking a little questionable. And some days I do look a little questionable and I go, should I run one right now? I'm not too sure. I just went for a run. But I live in the country, so I try to be in town. I'll go for a run in town, and then I'm tempted to shop a batch. And my face is usually red. I'm sure I don't smell fantastic. So I have to take all that into consideration, because now people are meeting you at the door sometimes, and I don't want them to give me a bad review. Like, she looked dirty, she smelled, even though that's probably, nobody would be thinking that, but I would be thinking that. So that's number 5. Number 6, make sure you have the little knobby thing on the back of your phone. I don't even know what it's called, but it's a lifesaver. When I'm holding my phone and the knob thing pops out, I'm filming with my phone, so I can't show you, but the knob pops out and I can hold it and just work through the store. I don't have to set my phone down. I can hold it, be grabbing stuff, scanning stuff at the same time. That has saved a lot of time getting the knob thing. I'm sorry, I don't know the true name of that at this moment. If you're going to Aldi, I think Aldi's in most places now. If you're going to Aldi, make sure you have a quarter, because otherwise you're out of luck. Number 8, grab your produce bags before beginning to shop. So when I say start shopping, I go right to the produce. I count how many produce bags I need. I go to the produce bags, roll out the roll, I get all my bags, and then I open them, because I am so pathetic with that. It actually depends on the store and the bag, but my hand has to be kind of a little moist, so I'll usually grab a wipe in the beginning of the store, keep it in my cart, put my hand on the wipe, open up all the bags. So if there's, 8 produce things to shop, I'll have 8 bags and they're ready to go. It just makes it fast and easy. My kids make fun of me because I'm really bad at opening those bags for whatever reason. Actually, that was 8 and 9. Get your bags, open your bags was 9. Number 10 is shop all your produce first. I don't know why. I just go so much faster when I do that. My time per item is very low when I start with produce, and then I'll do all the aisles and the perimeter of the store. Unless it's ice cream, and that's always down an aisle, then I'll do that very last. Number 11, know the stores you won't shop in and never be tempted to accept batches there. We have a store here that is a hot mess. They label where all the items are, but they are never in those aisles. There's never any employees working there. My time per item is really pathetic. I'm always late to the customer's house. So I just said, okay, I will never shop that store particularly. And also, I'll never shop Walmart. And I know it's tempting with all of the, and Walmart's a new store that Instacart just accepted, but I know it's tempting with all of the, money that they're putting out there for $30 for 2 batches for Walmart. I don't want to be looking at what L'Oreal lipstick color. I'm not good at super detailed stuff like that. It just stresses me out. So literally, Walmart, you could be looking for lip color. That's tough. I feel like that's really tough. But maybe that's just me. Has anybody else had an order and it hasn't been so bad? Looking for lipstick, eyeliner. Oh my goodness. I mean, Walmart is a go-to store for everything, right? And my last one, because this is already running long, is send your customer 3 messages in total. before, during, and after. So I will do a separate video on this too, because at first I thought I was being super cheesy. I mean, you should see my my messages I sent. There's emojis, there's carrots and shopping carts and flowers, and oh my goodness, my reviews, people are like, she is so sweet and so thorough. I feel really cheesy, but that's, the customer wants to know that you're happy to be there to shop for them. And I truly am. I feel blessed to be able to get paid to serve somebody that may not be able to get out of the house, that may need something last minute, especially with COVID, just people who are literally homebound. So I'm going to do a separate video specifically on my cheesy messages. So that's 12. I have more. I think I'll do another top 12 for you on another video. So if you like content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. It helps me out, and it helps me to know that you like videos like this too, because I'm just putting them out there and seeing what sticks. Have a great Saturday. I will talk to you later. Bye.